Discover this completely remodeled masterpiece located in a prime neighborhood near top-rated schools right now. The modern white facade features a welcoming navy blue front door. A spacious living area showcases luxury vinyl flooring under the high ceiling. The bright foyer highlights an elegant iron staircase. Notice the modern geometric chandelier hanging in the center of this sunlit room. Cook delicious meals in this stunning chef's kitchen. The cozy breakfast nook includes a lovely bench for comfortable seating. The expansive family room offers great views through French doors. The large central island provides ample space for meal prep and casual family dining. Entertain your guests at this custom-built bar area. The versatile room features fresh neutral paint and brand new luxury flooring. A black ceiling fan adds contrast to the crisp walls. The bedroom feels airy and very bright. An arched window floods the grand entryway with natural light. This primary suite offers the perfect space to relax comfortably. The glass patio doors lead you out to the balcony. The glass shower looks very sleek, dual shower heads and glass doors. A freestanding bathtub sits perfectly beneath the large bathroom window. Contact Crystal with the Willers Homes team at SERHANT to schedule your private tour.